Hey, Jack, what you doing, bud? What you doing, huh? You being a good boy? Looking over the babies? Yeah. It's been a hot one here, I'll tell you that. It's been so hot I had to put him a fan up. Got him some fly paper up and a fan. They're doing good. Got their little water bowl over here. Touched their mouth to water. Believe it or not, two of them actually took a couple little sips of it, I do believe, the way they were acting. This one here, it liked that water. Yeah, and you did too, didn't you? And one of the black ones did too. Not both of them, but one of them. Right there it is. What's the matter over there, huh? What's the matter? What do you think about it, Jack? What you think, buddy? You just like to chew on stuff, don't you? Yeah, you like to chew on each other. You ain't got a tooth in your head and you're still chewing around on everything. Oh yeah, you do too. You have a tooth. I feel it. I feel a little bitty tooth right there. Laying around taking it easy, huh? Back after that water. What's the matter? You getting tired? Laying down now? Oh, it's so soft. Yep, it's so soft. Piece of hay in your mouth, didn't you? What? You act like you want to bite on everything. You just want to chew on everything, don't you? Huh? What's it? Chewing on me. Huh. Got a little bitty tooth coming in there. I feel it. Little bitty thing. Where are you going to, Jack? Hey, buddy. Where are you going? Well, I figured I'd show you all the pups. You know me. Gotta check on the babies, see how they're doing. This one here's out. You sleep, baby? You sleep? You still chewing on everything? You still chewing on everything? This one right here likes to chew on everything. Yep. This one's lazy. Being a lazy pup. Well, I guess we'll call it a day. I'll let the pups take them a nap. Mommy was just out here a little while ago. She gave them some bites. You guys have a good one. We'll see you later.